Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing something that I've been, well, it's been sitting at the house for a very long time. The Oracle side markers. It's such a subtle and small mod. It makes a huge difference in the appearance of the car. I actually completed a little bit ago while we were over at CCT doing the Mishimoto catch can installation. We did this installation at the same time, but that video was sort of long. So I saved the clips from that installation to put in this video. We're getting ready to install our Oracle side markers. You're gonna notice on each marker, when you get the kit from them, they are marked for the position that's going to go on your vehicle. So that's front right, rear right, front left, and hopefully rear left. You're going to pop these panel clips with a panel popper, pull this aside, and then there's a Torx, and I don't know the size of it off the top of my head, but I'll let you know. 2 Torx bolts, you're going to pull them, and it's basically plug and play. What you're gonna have to do, you're gonna remove 6, I believe, push pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, there's another one right there. But you can get it out enough to get to it. Then you got your light back there. You're gonna use a T25 Torx bit to remove the 2 Torx bolts. And then it's just gonna unplug. Front left. Trade you. Before we put all the push pins back in and seal all that stuff up, we're just gonna test them. I'm gonna start taking the other ones out so we can tag team it and get this done. So the rear is actually a lot easier. So you're just gonna pop this panel clip, this panel clip, this panel clip, and this one. And then we'll give you access to it. You get it up in there. Can't wait. This has been a long time mod. It's been sitting at the house for a long time for me to do. And you guys can do this at home. You can do it in your driveway. I just figured since I'm doing the oil, why not lift it off the ground so I don't have to lay on the ground to get up in there. Just makes life a little bit easier. You guys can opt for some cheapies on Amazon and what have you. I didn't reach out to Oracle. They're not sponsoring this video, but I just think the quality of this product versus something you're going to get from eBay, an eBay special or Amazon, unless it's an Oracle product, isn't going to meet up to these standards. I mean, this looks almost OEM like it's supposed to. Here's a stock one, here's the Oracle one. Just a nice, subtle, aesthetically pleasing upgrade for your Dodge Charger. Man, that looks so much better.
Doing this removal and install, the lower Torx fastener, when it's removed, will fall out. The upper one, in sort of an interference fit in the plastic, stays in place. Okay. Which does make it a little bit easier because starting that upper one on both the front and the back is a little bit troublesome. And if you were trying to do this with hand tools, you might have to take more of this splash shield and maybe even remove the tire.
There you go, guys. Tips and tricks, Beast Project style.
And see how this is staying in the hole. You won't be able to put this in with that in the hole.
So what you're saying is do the top one first.
Yeah.
All right, last one, guys, and then we're gonna test them real quick to make sure they all function, and then we'll button everything back up, put those stupid snap clips back in, push clips, snap clips, push clips, whatever. You know what I mean?
Doodahs.
The doodahs. Look at that. Look at that. They're all working, so now we can put everything back together. So what do you think, guys? I think this looks awesome. I think it looks really good. It looks good at night, even better at night. The camera really doesn't do it justice, but it looks really, really good at night. And it looks like it belongs on the car. You still got your amber in the front, and your red. When they're off, it's nice and smoked, but you can still see it. What do you think, Mrs.?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Like it a lot?
I do.
I'll have all the information for these Oracle lights in the video description.
As always, guys, thank you so much for all of you that are out there supporting us by purchasing the Beast Synthetics, our AMSoil. It helps us, you know, bring more content to the channel, which then in gives you more entertainment.
Yep.
It's like a win-win situation.
Yes, it's a win-win. You guys
help us help you. We're like Jerry Maguire. Jerry Maguire. I haven't seen that in so long.
make sure you're checking out allbeastprojects.com.
That's right.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I know it's a short video. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button.
Back it.
Tap that notification bell, ding, ding.
Ding, ding.
We love you guys. We will see you on the next upload.
If I do
Go to source.
select source.
Serious. Just hold your finger. You don't just touch it. Just tap it.
Yeah, but then it doesn't pop up there. I want it to be an option over here.
I don't think you can make it an option. I think it's just. Oh, maybe you can. Excuse me.
Did you get that on film? Did you catch that?
Let's listen to this awesome Corsa exhaust.
You go cut that part out. Don't worry, I'll bring it up on my Instagram story.
And those Cerakote black tips. Bye, Kylie. God, it sounds so good.